Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. Well, earning money is a dream for many. Many leave their job. Many want to pursue their career in YouTube. And in today's video, we are going to see how we can generate money from YouTube. You might have just heard that YouTube pays money for the advertisements that is shown in your video. That is not only the case, but there are quite a few other techniques where you can generate money from YouTube. We are going to see that. YouTube pays their creators for the videos or for the contents that you post online. So there are 5 different ways where you can generate money from YouTube. First of all, of course, advertisement payments. You will get revenue for the advertisements that is shown in your content in YouTube. Now there is a disadvantage with this particular program. If your viewers are using unofficial YouTube clients such as YouTube One Stop or NewPipe app, well, in those apps advertisements are not shown, which means you will not get revenue for views that are being generated from those apps. The second thing is channel membership. Well, to enable this feature, you have to complete the YPP criteria, that is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, which means you can sell your channel memberships. That means there will be a join button underneath each of your video or next to your subscribe button. People can join and people can pay you money monthly or depends upon their choice. The third thing is merchandise. You can sell out your merchandise. So if your subscribers, your viewers are a great fan of yours, you can merchandise some products like t-shirts, wrist bangles or wristbands. You can market your own caps. That way you can generate revenue from YouTube merchandise. This can be controlled from your YouTube Studio application. Again, if you need to enroll to this feature, you will have to complete the YPP eligibility criteria, that is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. Then the next one is paid comments and stickers. Your top fans can purchase stickers and paid comments which will be automatically pinned onto the chat area. So by that way you can generate revenue. You might have seen in some videos paid comments or some stickers on their comments. That means the YouTuber is sending out stickers and comments to their viewers. When they post comments and when they post stickers, that will automatically, a kind of premium symbol will automatically be displayed along with their user name. The final thing is YouTube premium revenue. That means you might have heard about the premium plans of YouTube where advertisement will not be shown. You will pay a certain amount of dollars or certain amount of money to YouTube to skip these ads and stuff like that. That is counted as YouTube premium accounts. So those accounts, you will get a certain percentage of revenue of their premium membership. As an example, if the person has paid $10 per month for the premium membership, you will get a portion of that $10 as your monetization or as your revenue. So these are the 5 ways where you can make revenues out of YouTube. Many thanks for watching Let's Talk by George. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any updates. Thank you.